Lesson 8.1, Solving Equations by Factoring. Example B. We first need to rewrite this problem with all terms on the same side so we can factor the trinomial. So let's first subtract 15 from both sides. When you subtract 15, our new trinomial will be x squared minus 2x minus 15. Is that equal to 0? Find your a times your c, so it'll be 1 times negative 15. That will be your product number. Your sum number is your b value, so negative 2. So we're looking for factors of negative 15 that give you a sum of negative 2. List all your factors of 15. So you have 1 and 15, 3 and 5. Because we need a negative 15, we'll need one factor to be positive and the other to be negative. We could also have one factor negative and the other positive. So now from that factor list, add the values together to find your sum. 1 plus negative 15 give you negative 14, so that's not going to work. 3 plus negative 5 is negative 2, so that will not work. Actually, it does. There it goes. We need the sum of negative 2. So 3 and negative 5 are our values. Rewrite the trinomial using those two terms. So we'll take our original problem, x squared minus 2x minus 15 set equal to 0. Rewriting that original problem using the numbers that you found would now be x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 15. Factor by grouping. The first group is x squared plus 3x. They have an x in common. The leftovers would be x plus 3. If you're factoring out an x, the leftovers of x would get you back to x squared, and the leftovers of 3 will get you back to 3x. The second group, the first term is negative, so you have to factor out that negative. They have a 5 in common for 5x and 15. So factoring out a negative 5 will give you an x plus, because you factored out that negative, a negative times a positive will get you back to what you started with, the negative 15. So x plus 3, because negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Notice your leftover parentheses match. That's what you want. So those make one parentheses, x plus 3, and x minus 5 is your other parentheses. So using the zero product property, we will set each factor equal to 0. You can solve by subtracting 3 to get negative 3 as one of your solutions, and adding 5, so positive 5 is your other solution. So our solutions, or our zeros, are negative 3, comma 5.